What's up, YouTube? This is CLB Cowboys. I'm coming at you here with a 2-box break of Ultimate Collection Baseball. I'm going to do one, and my dad's going to do one here. So, see what we get. And then I've also got a recap of about 3 of them we opened up yesterday. It's a decently thick one there. Josh Beckett base. Jordan Schaefer base.
Rookie.
And the hit is for the San Diego, Adrian Gonzalez, 18 of 23.
Alright.
Box 2.
Box 2. Particularly thick pack, so probably just an autograph in there. Got a Manny Ramirez base card. And Brian McCann base card. Chris Tillman base rookie. And then an autograph of Matt Laporta rookie card. And that's numbered out of 150.
And then here's the recap from yesterday. We got a Mike Smith bat barrel yesterday, numbered out of 20. Then we got a Generations 8 memorabilia card with Ted Williams, Fergie Jenkins, Orlando Cepeda, Carlton Fisk on one side. And it's also numbered out of 35. And then on the back we got that's
Dice K.
Dice K, Jason Varitek, Pedro Martinez, and Manny Ramirez. There. So it's a pretty nice card. And then there's the little name thing that came with it. And then this is a pretty sick and nasty patch here of Phil Niekro out of 35. There, 34, 35. And the patch is actually supposed to go this way, because this is the tomahawk there, and then the A is right underneath it there. Oh, right there. Yeah, A's right there, tomahawks
one way or the
there. So that's all I have for you. Please sub and rate. Peace. What's up, YouTube? CLB Cowboys. I got some mail cards, mail days here. I'm going to show you. First off, I'm going to start off with Robman 9. I made a trade with him for I gave him an LT, Reggie Wayne, and Drew Brees, triple auto out of 10, and a Sammy Ball jersey and a Dallas Clark jersey for Ken Griffey Jr. autograph out of 25. You can see that there. And kind of a worn out piece of jersey, patch of Joe Montana out of 25. My next one here is a trade I did with Unitas 19. Aaron. I traded him for a Chris Johnson auto out of Finest. Jersey card out of Leaf Rookies and Stars. Didn't have to send this, but he did. Thank you, Aaron. It's out of 250. Felix Jones PC card. Ray Rice autograph, numbered out of 40. Had a great year this year. And then I just got this one today here. So He also sent me another card he didn't have to. Alonzo Coleman, also another PC card, Cowboy auto. And then got a couple notes here we'll get to here in a minute. And then Sean Green, rookie auto, RPM out of 299. And Matthew Stafford auto, numbered out of 50. And sent me a note here. What's up, Chris? Thanks for another trade, and hope we can do more. Telling me he'll pick up some more Cowboys stuff because I got some other stuff he's interested in, and hopefully we can do some more trades, Aaron. Great stuff, great stuff. Then everybody knows the True 17, of course. If you're not subbed to him, you really should be. But gotten a couple breaks of his, Chad. Got some nice patch cards here of Roger Craig at the 49ers. And Patrick Willis. It's a nice patch card there. And Terry Bradshaw, Eli Manning, and Alex Smith. Won that in a random. It's a pretty nice looking card. And then also got manufactured patch of Patrick Willis out of 30. And then we also got the Redskins. So we got a Clinton Portis manufactured patch out of 30. And we got a Joe Theismann autograph out of 25. Number 25 of 25, eBay 1 of 1. And then I bought a pack with a bunch of other guys to get a box of the Topps Tribute, and got some base and blue refractor of Don Limmer, and an autographed bat piece of Josh Hamilton out of 99. That's all I have for you. Please sub and have a great day. Peace.